Hello everybody, it's Blocky and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add the MACD indicator on Robinhood Legend. So the first thing you want to do is pull up a chart here on Robinhood Legend, and once you're here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on this little F right here, the top right corner. It's going to be your indicators button. Now if you click on that, you can click on where it says add indicator, and right at the top here you'll see the MACD right here. We can click on that one, and then it's going to go ahead and add it for us right here. And it's really all we have to do. Now we can go ahead and we can edit a few of the properties. If you want, you can go ahead and just like tinker around with the colors and the numbers, all in this menu if you click on that pencil. But that's really all you have to do in order to go in and add the MACD indicator. And as you can see here, it'll just pop right up at the bottom. So like we also have the RSI, which is up here. We also have the exponential moving average, which is up here. So just trying to add all the different indicators to the chart. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.